There are perceptual differences between me and the Defence Ministry on the age issue, but no rift, Army General VK Singh has told NDTV. In his first television interview after the unseemly controversy erupted, General VK Singh has made it clear that the age issue has in no way affected any decision making, either within the Army or between the Army and the Defence Ministry.
I have to start with the raging controversy which is there about your age and the Defence Ministry's stand that they will not accept what you've been asking for, the correct date to be accepted. What is your stand?
I think the issue is being played around too much. There is no controversy between the Ministry of Defence and me. There is no fight between the Ministry of Defence and me. There are perceptual differences, and it's totally a personal issue, and it is only something which is concerning me and not rest of the army. So I would like to assure you that as far as I'm concerned, it is not transcending in any way into the army. We are as prepared, as good as we were yesterday, or as well prepared as will be tomorrow.
And what about the ministry's decisions vis-a-vis the army?
I don't find any effect out there, and I'm quite sure we have a team there as well as the minister who goes beyond all this.
Is there a rift between you and the ministry?
There is no rift between me and the ministry. We are as cordial as we have ever been. If you have seen signs of any rift, I don't know. But personally, I haven't seen any sign of rift.
Do you think your honor has been sort of has been put at stake, and therefore you want to take the stand what you have taken? I mean, I want you to say.
Integrity is an issue which I have flagged, and it's totally a personal issue.
Right.
And that is where it ends.
So you are hopeful that it will be resolved according to what?
I don't know. I've got no clue of it, nor do I want to comment on it. And
but you will continue to hold on to that thought that integrity and honor is your.
I'm sure each one of us holds on to that particular value.
As the BJP faces a fierce attack from the Congress over the induction of sacked BSP Minister Ram Singh Kushwaha into its fold, the party seems determined to continue its protest against the government's handling of the Lokpal bill in the Rajya Sabha. BJP MPs led by LK Advani today took the Lokpal war to the President and asked her to call a session for voting on the Lokpal bill. To keep up the pressure on the government over the Lokpal bill fiasco, the BJP is observing a protest week till January 10th. Advani was seen alongside Gadkari and other senior leaders amid reports of a divide within over inducting sacked BSP Minister Babu Singh Kushwaha, who was raided yesterday. Almost all leaders had opposed Kushwaha's entry, but Gadkari had reportedly put his foot down. Asked about Kushwaha's induction, Advani avoided the question, and LI Bihar Chief Minister has said the BJP has made a mistake.
How do you look at it, inclusion of people who BSP has rejected to be brought into BJP?
Well, I don't know. It's the party who will take the decision. We're committed to fighting corruption. We should do that. If there's anything wrong that has been committed, I'm sure the party will rectify that.
As the BJP faces heat over inducting tainted BSP Minister Babu Singh Kushwaha into its fold, another controversy seems to be brewing. BJP leader Chhatrapal Singh, who was expelled from the Rajya Sabha in the cash for query case, has been given a ticket for Uttar Pradesh Assembly polls. He is set to fight the elections from Anup Shahar on a BJP ticket, and he was expelled by a house pain for the misuse of MP lads. Also, Sakshi Maharaj, expelled by the Samajwadi Party, has been inducted into the BJP. He has been given a ticket from the Bagon seat. Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah, who completed 3 years in office today, described the period as the best and the worst of the times. Omar spoke on a range of issues, including his contentious proposal to withdraw Armed Forces Special Powers Act from certain areas of the valley. Omar said nobody should think the issue is on the back burner. He will pursue it to the logical end.
चार्ल्स डिकेंस ने A Tale of Two Cities में लिखा था, It was the best of times, it was the worst of times. और वाकई इन 3 सालों ने चार्ल्स डिकेंस की इन अल्फाजों को हमारे लिए सच्चा साबित कर दिया। वाकई इन 3 सालों में हमने अच्छे से अच्छे दिन देखे, हमने बुरे से बुरे दिन भी देखे।
I intend to pursue it in coming weeks and months. The issue is not on the back burner. Just because it's not being talked about doesn't mean that it's not being pursued. At various levels, discussions are on, both within the state, between the civil and the security establishment, as also at the central level as well.
Due to a sharp decline in prices of vegetables, potatoes and onions, food inflation has dropped sharply and slipped into negative territory to a 6-year low. Food inflation has dropped sharply to 3.36% for the week ended December 24th. Food inflation was stubbornly high for nearly 2 years. More news coming in right after this break. Stay tuned.